Uploading files to InfinityFree is a simple process, allowing you to manage your website effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into your InfinityFree account. Visit the InfinityFree website and log in with your account credentials. Access the control panel. Once logged in, navigate to the client area and select the hosting account you want to manage. Click on the control panel. Open File Manager. In the control panel, locate and click on File Manager. This tool allows you to manage files directly on your web server. Navigate to the htdocs folder. In the File Manager, find the htdocs folder. This is where you should upload your website files for them to be accessible online. Upload files. Click on the Upload Files button, usually located at the top of the File Manager. You can drag and drop files or click to select files from your computer. Select the files you wish to upload and start the upload process. Verify upload. Once the upload is complete, you will see the files in the htdocs folder. You can now access them via your domain.